Hey guys, hello. Welcome to the Coder Forest YouTube channel. I am your friend Pankaj, and from today we are starting React.js tutorials. In this tutorial, we will learn from basic concept to advanced React.js concept, some React magic tricks and some projects. Okay. And in this tutorial we are starting with the basic React installation and we will run our first program. So let's dive into the React.js installation. So for React installation, we need some tools to install. Okay. So first we need to install Node.js. We also need to install VS Code or Sublime Text. Okay. And finally, we need to install React.js. And then after that, using the command create React app, then project name, we can create React project. Okay, so let's dive into the practical. First, we need to install Node.js. Okay, for Node.js, you have to go download Node.js. Okay, you will see here the download Node.js link. Click on that link. Okay, for Windows, you can download this. For Mac, you can download this. And okay, so my operating system is a Windows operating system, so I will download Windows installer. Okay, I will download it and then install the Node.js. So actually I am going to pause this because I already installed the Node.js in my computer. Okay, and after that we need to install VS Code. So this is the VS Code. You have to go to Google and download and write download VS Code. So this link will come here, download Visual Studio Code. Just click the link and then click on download according to your operating system. Okay, and actually I already have installed the VS Code. You can see VS Code. This is the VS Code. Okay, and I already installed Sublime Text also. So this is the Sublime Text. Okay, so you have to download two tools. First one is Node.js and second one is VS Code or Sublime Text. Okay, now we will install React.js. Okay, for React.js I am going to directory here. Okay, in the D drive I am making a folder, new folder, why it is not creating. Okay, new folder, I am naming it React. Okay, so we have created React folder. Now we'll go and install React.js now. Okay, so for that, open the terminal. Okay, go to the folder in the D drive. So I am making this big one. Okay, so in the D drive, okay, I create the folder React. Okay, now using the command npx create React app. Okay, using the command npx create React app, and then you have to give the project name. So I am giving my React project. Okay, so this one is your command for creating the React project, and this will your project name. Okay, so this is your command for creating the React project, and this is your project name. Okay, now enter. So it is now installing the libraries of React.js. So it will take some time to install the React libraries. Now we can see the React installation is complete. Okay, now we have to go cd my React project. Okay, cd my React project. Okay, then I will go to my React project directory. Okay, then again we have to start our project now. Okay, so we will go npm and then start. This is the command npm start. Okay, npm start. Now this command will start our project. This will be our first React project. Okay, now this is our first React program. Okay, this program is default. Okay, so we will go to our project first. Okay, so we will go and open the file, open our project. Okay, so in the React directory we have create our project my React app. You can see this is our project. Okay, so I am opening this my React project folder. Okay, to the VS Code. So you can see here we have opened our project my React project. Okay, you can see here. Okay, now go to the terminal. Okay, now you can see we are in the directory my React project, right? And we have already run our program. You can see here. Okay, so this is the default React program which is already built in the React. So we will remove this and we will make our first program. Okay, now we don't need this app.test.js, so we will delete this file. Now we will go to the app.js and we will remove these lines. Okay, and we will save it. Again we will remove this logo. We don't need this logo. Okay, this is the logo, so we don't need this one, so we are removing this. I will write here division. Okay, and then in the h1 I will write hello world. Okay, and save it and then reload our program. Now our program is giving error. Okay, so what we have missed, so we don't need this logo, we will delete it. Okay, do app, we also don't need this app.css. Okay, go and run this. So I will close it and again run npm start. When you install the node, the npm get already installed. Okay. So this is our first program, hello world, in the React.js. Okay, understood? So guys, this was the installation and the first hello world program in the React.js. Now in the next video we will understand the directory structure of React, and then we will go step by step from basic to advanced React.js. Okay. So thank you guys for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe this channel, because without subscribing you can't get notification about the new concept of React, about the new video of React, or about the new project of React, or the new trick of React. Okay. So please subscribe this channel to get notified. Okay. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Thank you. Thank you so much.